explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 24 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension, right? So सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि comprehension आखिर क्या होता है, right? So here they have explained about the comprehension. Let's see what it is. Comprehension is a very valuable exercise to acquire proficiency in any language. कि comprehension एक बहुत ही valuable exercise है जिसमें आप किसी भी language में perfect हो सकते हो, right? The very word comprehension means to understand fully. अब जो proper word है comprehension, इसका मतलब होता है पूरे तरीके से समझना, right? Under comprehension, an unseen passage in prose or poetry is given, and certain questions based on the given passage are asked to be answered. कि comprehension में एक unseen passage दिया होता है किसी भी prose या फिर poetry की form में, right? और उसी पर based कुछ certain questions होते हैं जिनके answers हमें देने होते हैं. Correct? The following points should be noted before answering the questions. कि ये सभी पॉइंट्स हमें ध्यान में रखने चाहिए जिससे पहले कि हम क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करें, राइट? सो इट इज रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली टिल यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स मीनिंग. कि आपको पैसेज जो है वो बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़ना है ताकि आपको उसका मीनिंग आसानी से समझ आ सके. रीड द क्वेश्चंस एंड देन लुक फॉर आंसर्स. कि आपको सबसे पहले क्वेश्चंस पढ़ने हैं और उसके बाद आंसर्स को पैसेज में से ढूंढना है, राइट? आंसर द क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन. कि आपको एक एक करके सभी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देना चाहिए. ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज. कि आपको ट्राई करना चाहिए कि हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप अपनी खुद के लैंग्वेज में दें. द टेंस ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस शुड नॉट बी चेंज्ड. कि क्वेश्चंस का जो टेंस होता है वो कभी भी चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. रिवाइज योर आंसर्स thoroughly. जब आप एक बार अपने सभी आंसर्स लिख लो तो आपको अपने आंसर्स को दोबारा से रीड करना चाहिए और कंफर्म करना चाहिए that there should be no mistake. Now we have an example over here, right? So सबसे पहले the song of birds हमें पैसेज दिया हुआ है in the prose form, right? So जल्दी से इसको पढ़ते हैं. The song of many birds seems beautiful to us. This is why it is called song, for it reminds us of human song. We do not know birds themselves consider their song beautiful, although we too believe that they do. What birds feel, we will never know because they have no means of telling us. But we do not know other things about bird song. If we watch a male bird song, such as nightingale early in the morning in early spring, just after it has arrived from its winter quarters, we shall notice that it is alone and has not yet got a mate. It spends most of its time singing. If we watch closely, we see that while it sings, it looks continuously round in all directions. It is clearly very much on the alert, right? Now, they say answer the following questions on the basis of reading of the passage, right? So, यहाँ पर ये हमारे लिए एक सॉल्व्ड एग्जाम्पल है. तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि क्वेश्चंस के साथ उनके आंसर्स भी हमें बताए गए हैं, right? So, let's see how it is done. Why do we not know how birds feel? We do not know how birds feel. They have no means of telling us. Why does a male songbird sing? a male songbird sings to attract a female bird? How does a male bird spend time when alone? It spends time in singing. What does the male bird do while singing? The male bird looks round in all directions for its mate. Give the suitable title to the passage. The Song of Bird. Find a word in the passage which means the same as remember. Remind. Use the following words in your own sentences. तो अब हमें इन सभी वर्ड्स को अपने तरीके से यूज करना है, राइट? Reminds. So it is, he reminds me of my father. Closely. We are very closely associated with each other. Continually. People continually walked down the hill. Alert. An alert body has an alert mind. Believe. I believe in Christianity since birth. Right? So ये था हमारा पैसेज और हमने देखा कि कितनी इजीली हमने इन सभी पैसेजेस को इन पैसेज को रीड किया और इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को आंसर किया, राइट? एंड ऑल द आंसर्स वर आल्सो हिडन इन द पैसेज ओनली. करेक्ट? Now we have the passage in the poetry form. So the name of the poetry form passage is Come Little Leaves. Let's read this also. Come little leaves, said the wind one day. Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold. For summer is gone and the days grow cold. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. O'er the brown field then they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Dancing and whirling the little leaves went. Winter had called them and they were content. Soon fast asleep on their earthy beds, the snow laid a coverlet over their heads. Right? This was a poem which was composed by George Cooper. Correct? Now again, answer the following questions on the basis of reading of the poem. क्या आपने ये poem पढ़ी? अब जल्दी से अपनी reading के basis पे हमें इन सभी के answers देने हैं. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem? The rhyming scheme is AABB. Who is speaking in the first stanza? The wind is speaking in the first stanza. What does the third line of the stanza tell us about the season of the year? It tells us that it is autumn. The leaves are red and bold. The previous and the next lines are also clues, right? What does the poet mean by singing the soft little songs they knew? The poet means they were making a rustling sound as they dropped from the trees in the wind. Why does the poet say the leaves are fast asleep? The leaves are sleeping because they are lying on the floor or dead. What is the main topic of the poem? The main topic of the poem is autumn leaves and how they fall from the trees in the wind in autumn or winter. What is the mood of the poem? The mood of the poem is happy, joyful, soft, admiring of nature. Right? So you saw how easily हमने poem को भी पढ़ा और उसके questions जो पूछे गए थे उनको answer किया. Right? सो एज यू कैन सी आपको आगे भी बहुत सारे पैसेजेस दिए गए हैं और उसके क्वेश्चंस हैं, सो दैट यू कैन रीड देम, आंसर देम एंड इंक्रीज योर रीडिंग स्किल्स, राइट? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.